Shelter in place, wash your hands, wear a mask, follow public health guidance, and physically distance from others. What if there is no place to shelter? No access to running water or soap? The inability to buy, make, or wear a mask? No internet access or electricity to really power devices like a phone? What if physical distancing was already part of daily experience because no one ever looked you in the eye, said hello, or acknowledged your existence? House of Hope works to address these challenges on an individual level by providing improved access to housing, income, employment, and healthcare, while strengthening the resiliency and enhancing community integration for those we serve. COVID-19 has been labeled as the great equalizer, but for those we serve, it has further imbalanced the scales, making access to emergency shelter and affordable housing even more challenging. This pandemic has shown us that our safety nets have worn thin under this new burden, and that we cannot address health without a home. We aim to be bold, whether that means embracing a new approach or developing an innovative solution. Since establishing Rhode Island's inaugural Housing First program in 2005, this model has allowed us to become a leading housing provider in the state. We have served hundreds of the most vulnerable individuals and maintain an 88% housing stability rate. We know what it takes to do this work. House of Hope understands that housing is not an end, but the beginning of a journey toward long-term security, safety, health, and wellness. And now it's time for us to innovate yet again. I'd like to introduce you to Kintsugi Place. Named for the Japanese art form that repairs broken pottery, restoring the original purpose while imparting a beauty that makes them more precious than before. We envision a tiny home community where up to 18 individuals can live, heal, and embrace, rather than disguise, their scars. Where the cracks and chips that others see as deficiencies are viewed and illuminated as strengths. Where people are treasured, dignified, and valued for their experiences, not in spite of them. House of Hope knows what it takes to move someone off the streets and into housing and keep them there. We develop high-quality, affordable housing and provide the best social services in the field. We embrace the value of not just building structures, but people. We believe that a home can change a life, so please join me in establishing a community where everybody is embraced to begin their journey of healing. Welcome to Kintsugi Place.